Hi everyone and welcome back to the Nail Nails channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create this super easy, super fun, lightning inspired nail art. Let's get cracking. Right, to start off this design, I'm going to go in with 2 coats of Snow White. Forgot the color for a second. Not
Forgot
sure
your
why.
favourite colour.
Exactly, weird that is. Right, so I'm going to go in and slap on 2 thin layers on the nail. I actually did some Sonic nails a while back and I painted the lightning in a different way, which took me a bit longer. So I started looking into a way of making it a bit easier for me. And yeah, I really hope you like it, guys, because this looks super cool. Back into the lamp. Right, so I've got the second layer cured. I'm gonna go in with our Nail Nails. Whoop, where is it? There it is. With the blooming gel, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply a nice thin layer all over the nail. I'm gonna apply this, and before I cure, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up another color which I feel is perfect for lightning. Actually, I look at this color combo and I think about Raising Dion in Netflix, if anyone's watched it. But yeah. So I've got the blooming gel on. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up that color, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this brush, but I'm gonna flatten it on the nail. So I'm using a lot of color, but I don't want to just dot it like this. I'm kind of trying to apply it on that wet layer without mixing it in. I'm just applying it on top, okay? So I'm gonna go in and just drag that color on. Do you see what I'm doing? And I'm gonna drag it on without mixing it into the blooming gel. I did mix it a little bit here, but that's okay, because it's gonna have a nice effect. I'm just gonna kind of dab it on and not mix it onto that blooming gel. And if it starts to mix, then move away, because it will just change the effect and the transition of the blue color into that white. Now that the color is on, I'm just gonna let the product do its thing, let it bloom. And as you can tell, it kind of creates, it looks like there's a U, you know what I mean? So there's a lovely transition between that dark blue into that white without even doing much work. Literally, all you had to do is put that blooming gel on. So I'm waiting a little bit, making sure it's all spread out nice and even. I'm going to take some of that product off on the sides if I feel there's a little bit too much, because that can happen. And I'm going to go ahead and give this a cure. Right, so we've got that gorgeous blue cured. Look how gorgeous this looks already. Absolutely stunning. Love it. I'm going to go ahead and top coat this for you guys. I'm going to use our Urban Graffiti top coat, apply a nice thin layer all over the nail. Make sure I kept those edges as well. And then pop this into the lamp. This design is so gorgeous. I can't get over it. Right, and I've got that top coat cured. Look how gorgeous this is. I absolutely love this one. I've also prepared another version of it, which is matte, which you can see over here, which is stunning as well. I don't know which one I like better, to be honest. It's really a hard one. I mean, you can see the transition slightly better on that matte one, in my opinion. But man, I love it. What's your favorite?
I don't know, I think the matte maybe does look a bit more like lightning.
Yeah.
But then I'm getting kind of an underwater vibe from the gloss one, so I like that.
So it kind of looks like the water is glowing in the dark. That's quite nice, actually. Yeah, but that's it, guys. 2 versions, matte, shiny. Let me know which one is your favorite. I hope you enjoyed this super short and easy tutorial. Let me know what you'd like to see on the next one. And as usual, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you soon, guys. Take care. Don't forget to cut it. Drew.